Hey guys, welcome to the video. It's Wolf here. So right now the markets look very great, in my opinion, because like I've been looking at the news. There's tons of like Nasdaq is coming to crypto. They have starting their own stuff with crypto, and it's just like institutions are coming, like really coming into crypto. Okay, like really coming into crypto, and there's the user adoption is building up, which is very bullish. But in the bear markets, everything just keeps going down, even though if the like news are incredible. For example, proof of stake Ethereum was like so smooth like butter, like it was crazy good. Okay, and now there's just tons of new information, but prices are still going down. I love this because I want to buy tons of tokens, blue chip tokens in this bear market, and become a multimillionaire in the next bull run. Like that's the plan. Okay, stick with the plan. And this bear market is going to take at least 1 to 2 years. And I was just yesterday thinking about like if this bear market happens to be like 3 years long, okay, like we could, like if you are dollar cost averaging in, it means that we could buy for 3 years. Like that was, and the price would be so freaking low that the money there would be insane. So I'm just hoping that the bear market will be as long as possible, right? But I think that it's going to be the basic, next 6 months is going to be the boring lows. After that it starts really a little bit trending up, and after like 6 to 10 months or so, the bull run kind of starts building up, and then at some point it will explode. Okay, and during this bear market there's going to be tons of new innovations happening and new projects that I'm buying in the portfolio. So I'm building portfolio, managing building a diversified portfolio that manages risk. Okay, so I have high caps, mid caps, and low caps, right? So with that being said, I was looking at, for example, Ethereum here is the main asset in the portfolio, and everybody should, in my opinion, own Ethereum because it's literally world computer with tons of network effects. There's tons of, like, a lot of people like the new shiny thing and everything like that. However, it's very hard to compete when, if somebody has like the team that the Ethereum has, the network, like everything that network Ethereum has going on. It's incredibly hard to compete against it. All of the other chains basically are creating these EVM compatible chains because they want to be on Ethereum. Like, think about it, like really think about it. I was looking at, so tons of people have been asking me about Moonbeam and stuff like that, and it's always so EVM compatible. So ultimately everything just leads to Ethereum, right? So that's why I start there. Okay, I start with Ethereum here in this start of this bear market, and I just want to buy tons of Ethereum, right? Because think about it this way: if you have, for example, income of, let's say that you have $3,000 you make a month. Okay, let's do this thought experiment. You have $3,000 a month. Now think about if you put, every time you get the money, you put it in Ethereum, and in the next bull run Ethereum 10x's. Your income is right now then 30,000. You are making $30,000 a month, even, but you don't have it yet. But in the next bull run you will have it if Ethereum 10x's. Okay, so I think that's great. Like if you, for example, if you don't have any cash flow, take a 9 to 5 job, guys. Take a 9 to 5 job, earn that freaking 2,000 a month, and boom, as you invest some part of it to Ethereum, for example, it's already like you're already making $20,000 a month. When you're doing the shit job, you can be like, freak, I'm doing this and I'm still making 20K a month. You know what I'm saying? So, just try to think in a longer term horizon. Don't look at when you look at the markets here, and if you get sad after price is going down, you are doing it wrong. You are doing it wrong. You need to get happy. You need to just like, yes, like just please everybody sell so I can buy more. And I did, by the way, a poll on my YouTube channel, looking at like Ethereum price in end of year 2022. I was like, I was like $500, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, or 5,000, and a lot, like basically majority of put $500. Okay, then I did another one in a different order, and I put like $490, $709, 1,209, like odd numbers like that, and still majority of people said that Ethereum is going to not $490, around $500 mark. So that I believe that is where people are waiting to buy the bottom. Okay, what I'm saying here, because we need to think like other people aren't thinking. If you want to get above average results, you have to have like second level thinking. So if everybody's thinking that Ethereum is going to like $500, I don't think that's going to happen. Because it's just if everybody wants it, then it can't manifest. So with that being said, I do believe that Ethereum will go. Well, the probability for Ethereum to go under $1,000 in this bear market is pretty high. It is pretty high in my opinion. The probability to go back here, as because if the bear market is going to be 1 to 2 years long, I mean it's a long way. We have just barely begun here. It's going to be like, look at here, like it was. So if this happens, I'm buying Ethereum every single month. Okay, every single month. Okay, and some people like, when they join the newsletter, and I in my videos I talk about like last year I made 300K profit with crypto, right? A lot of people like ask like, hey, why do you have only like $5,000 in the portfolio? I'm like, you want to get in slowly. A lot of people have the ape mentality to, if you have like, this is a lot of people do this. They, for example, have $10,000 to invest. They look at something and they find some kind of like next hot thing that they think, or just like a herd mentality. They look at everybody else is talking about this, and then they drop whole $10,000 on some project, and then the price starts going down. Then they have lost $2,000 and they panic and they sell for loss. Okay, and then they're like, what I'm doing right now. Okay, so that's massive amounts of like negative chemicals in your body, and that's massive, like you are rewiring your brain for, misery and being broke for your whole life. What you want to do, you want to take that $10,000, take that freaking $10,000, divide it by 12, okay, and every month you dollar cost average in. And when you do that, you don't care about the price. You actually, when you think about that way, that after the first month you're like, please, I hope that the price will start going down, instead of hoping that the price goes up, right? Because you want to buy more, because you have 12 months to do it. And this way you actually start taking back of your control of your financial, destiny. Because you take back the control. You are not ape anymore. You are just like sophisticated investor who is getting in the market slowly, building the position slowly, no matter how much cash you have in hand right now. No matter how much cash you have in hand right now. You get in slowly, building the wealth habits. Get in slowly. So I always talk about learn more, buy a little, learn more, buy a little more. Okay, I talk about this in the membership. So you can check out the first link in the description, or go to wolflopez.com to see more of my stuff. I have a newsletter. You should join there. It's a very, very great. I talk about tons of stuff there. And yeah, so with that being said, like keep going on. Don't give up. Like the thing is, bear market is that it's the market psychology. When everybody else is giving up, you should be like, yes, like just please go, like everybody just quit crypto right now. There's nothing here anymore. Like actually I should make videos like crypto is going to zero, everybody sell, because that would like tell tons of other people to like quit, okay, instead of coming in, and then I can buy at lower prices. But I don't want to do that, because I want to really like bring massive value to the world, and I can help. Like I believe that I have the knowledge and the desire and just like everything. I'm very lucky to have this, to help a lot of people like get in the cryptocurrencies the right way. A lot of people look at cryptocurrencies like get rich quick. I want you to look at cryptocurrencies as freedom. Okay, it will give you a freedom, but only if you're patient and long term. And there's also one thing that I want to share with you. So there's this baby boomers for hello. So I was listening to one of the like history of like what's happened here in the finances, and uh, basically every other asset price is overpriced right now. If you look at real estate or on stocks or anything like that, they're all overpriced, because the generation before us, so I'm 27 years old, so generation before us have already bought the best deals. They have already like pumped up the price, quote unquote, so to say, in crypto terms. You understand what I'm saying? So there are not that many opportunities in there. However, cryptocurrencies, we are the millennials are the ones who are right now pumping the cryptocurrencies, right? So actually the opportunity in cryptocurrencies is like several orders of magnitude bigger than you ever thought. Because if you think about opportunity cost wise, like it's absolutely incredible. However, I have found also stocks and opportunities in stocks by studying like finance and the current situation of the planet Earth, and where things are most likely probably going to head. And I'm going to start also buying some stocks just to start diversifying. You know why? Because when you make a lot of money in the next bull run, okay, you need to start diversifying. You have to start diversifying. Okay, because let's say that you make like $1 million to $10 million. You don't want to have all of the money in crypto. It's too much, in my opinion. It's just my risk reward. Some people have. So I bought this book called Alchemy of Finance, and it was this guy is like one of the best like macro traders. He's actually one of those guys who was very good at trading at 19, I believe it's like 1950s. and he had these all these theories and everything like that, but he was so smart when he, you know, when he was doing it. I don't know where I was going to go. I had some really good insights about that, but I forgot. Anyway, so hey, it's going to be great. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to take a walk here and start. I recommend everybody to just take daily walks and think. Okay, I've been reading tons, like Einstein did it, like Edison did it. Tons of smart. Naval Ravikant does it. Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger does it, because what it does, like, it's not that you have too less ideas in your head, it's that you have too much if you can't focus. Like, if your mind is too cluttered, you can't focus, and out of focus wealth comes. So that's also, for example, if you have suffered a great loss, like losing actually activates part of our brain which activates focus, and out of focus wealth comes. Okay, so if you have had a massive, like, tons of people lost tons of money on, for example, Terra Luna or stuff like that, it's okay. You learned it the hard way, and it's okay. It's past. You can't change it. It's happened. So now what it brings you is focus, and focus out of focus creates wealth. Okay. So I want to end this video by saying that, and the markets look great in my opinion. A lot of people are like, no, 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 market, what's happening here? I'm like, yes, just keep selling, not you, but other people, right? But anyways, I'm not a financial advisor. Thank you so much for watching. See you at the next video. See you at the membership, and peace out.